Hello and welcome to this episode of TAPCO's Traffic Safety video series. In this video we'll show you how quick and easy it is to install a pole assembly to mount blinker signs or traffic signs using TAPCO's crash-worthy and reusable V-Loc anchoring systems. Prior to driving any V-Loc, you must first notify Digger's Hotline or your local utility marking service to ensure your safety. The service will mark your work site so that you do not contact utility lines. Use the proper safety gear for all installations. V-Loc models are available for a variety of post types and for installation into concrete, asphalt, and earth. In this episode, we'll show an earth installation. V-Locs can be driven with power drivers, but here we'll demonstrate driving them manually. Seat the 90-degree slot in the drive head onto the 90-degree leg angle and push the V-Loc into the earth or pound it in a few times to set it into position. Plumb and drive the V-Loc 1/3 of the way. Align the V-Loc socket so the rounded nose of the fin points away from oncoming traffic. Check for plumb in both directions, correct if necessary, and drive again until the fin contacts the ground. Check again for plumb and drive the rest of the way in. If you're installing a cleanout bar model, angle the V-Loc a few degrees toward it when driving, and it will push the V-Loc back to plumb when fully driven. When driven, clean out the earth inside the socket to a depth of at least 6 inches using a trowel or other tool. Mount the finials, hardware, and signs onto the pole and tighten the hardware. Insert the bottom of the post into the V-Loc socket against the 90-degree leg angle. Place the wedge into the socket with the extractor hole nearest the top. Drive the wedge in with a hammer until it is flush. Place the two halves of the bolt-on base together around the pole and secure with bolts, washers, and nuts. V-Loc is a patented post anchor that uses a unique wedge that, when driven in with a hammer, locks the pole securely into the socket. If the assembly is struck by a vehicle and knocked down, you simply insert a replacement pole into the existing V-Loc and drive in a new wedge to secure it. Reinstallation takes just minutes, saving you time and money, and keeps your work crew safer. Thank you for viewing this episode of TAPCO's Traffic Safety video series. Feel free to contact TAPCO toll-free at 800-236-0112 or email us at info@tapconet.com. If you have any comments or suggestions for this or other TAPCO training videos, please email me at marketing@tapconet.com.